Welcome. In front of me is an HTC U24 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, extend one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, right over here. And grabbing the little tool, you're gonna push out the tray. You have a little insert area right here. I'm gonna push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. Now on the tray we actually have also space for SD card, so I'm gonna grab that as well. So here, place your cards on the tray. The top one is going to be dedicated to your SIM card, so make sure you clip it in all the way. The card shouldn't be falling out if you flip it over. And the back side is either for SIM card or SD card, depending on which one you want to use. It's basically kind of like a dual tray, but you can only use one card at a time on the back side. Once you clip the cards into place, you can then insert it back into the device without dropping it like I just did. There we go. And both of these cards should start working right away. There we go. So that's my SIM card pin, which means that the SIM card is working, and SD card should be working as well, though it's formatted to something else, so the phone has a problem with it. But anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.